Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on Hbar. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about Hbar. I'm going to start with this. So how many of you feel that 6 cents is an accurate price for Hbar? Because I absolutely don't think it's even close to its actual price. But the thing is, right now we're in a buyer's market. If you're new to crypto, you could only have hoped to come in at these rock bottom prices. I never thought in a million years HBAR was coming back down to 6 cents. Ever. Because I know how much growth and building has happened all during this bear market, but it has not been reflected in the price at all. I believe in the next run up, HBAR is definitely going to surpass its all-time high. So let's take a look. Accumulating as much HBAR as I can at these lows. Incredibly undervalued. And when you look at the chart, you know at some point we're going back up. It's just a matter of how high we go in the next run. But like I said, I believe it's going to surpass its all-time high. Vertiblocks has partnered with HBAR Foundation to bring REC markets to Hedera and enable purchases of transparent, public, and verifiable renewable power. Future of energy distribution is going to be renewable, decentralized, and traded on Hedera. Again, that is big because renewable energy is all the talk right now. And again, HBAR is involved in renewables. Great partnership with HBAR Foundation and Numbers Protocol to allow photographers to authenticate images through Capture App XYZ on Hedera instantly. Take a picture, mint on Hedera, get proof of time, location, ownership all at once within seconds. So HBAR is even disrupting the photography market. It's such a well-rounded cryptocurrency, non-stop building, more and more partnerships all the time. HBAR Unique Governance Council is not something that could be upgraded or coded into another chain. It was designed from day one and took years to build. All other blockchains would need a complete restructuring to achieve what Hedera has. That's not happening. And when you look at the Governance Council, you know you invested in the right cryptocurrencies. Google's in there, Boeing. The list goes on and on. But the thing is, these are cryptocurrencies that are a guaranteed safe investment for any new investor. That's what's great about HBAR. We're excited to announce that StraitsX, a major payment institution licensed by MassSG, is piloting a series of stablecoin applications with MasterCard, Edemia Group, and Carbon Seed for XSGD, their Singapore dollar stablecoin built on Hedera. Now, anybody who still argues that Hedera and that HBAR is not going to be part of that new financial system is absolutely wrong. We see more and more proof of it all the time. Again, stablecoins built on Hedera. Karate Combat is the first professional sports league to launch a DAO and transition governance to its fans and athletes. Its DAO launches part of a 3-year landmark agreement with HBAR Foundation, hence creating active participants rather than passive viewers. And you see Kevin Hull in there, right? But look behind him, the HBAR Foundation. So anyone who goes to these events all of a sudden learn what HBAR is. Maybe some of them realize it's a cryptocurrency that will make them a lot of money in the future, so they become investors in HBAR as well. Mint is Beatlemania plus AI. So Mint is another partnership of HBAR. And you see AI plus NFTs and music all tied together. And this is the thing, this all adds value to HBAR, but yet the price doesn't move. Hedera transactions are quite speedy this morning. I'm imagining the impact are crickets when this 10x again. Who cares about transactions per second? Actually, I do. It makes staking rewards on Hedera sustainable, unlike any other blockchain. Plus, you could stake your HBAR and earn from it. And in the future, everyone's going to want to get passive income from their crypto. More and more people say they don't want to sell their crypto anymore. But on top of that, transactions are a very big deal, especially when a new financial system is getting built. And HBAR is going to be part of that new financial system, handling transactions inside of that system. So it's going to have to be at a much higher stable value to move that money. CBDCs are coming, guys. Screw that dumb expert says. All bullshit to keep everyone asleep. Not financial advice, but get your ISO 222 cryptos if you can afford to, along with physical precious metals, silver and gold. See, I don't really invest in silver or gold. I like to invest in crypto. Whatever I would put in a savings account week over week, I now put into crypto. Because I know at some point crypto is definitely going to skyrocket in price. And these ISO coins like HBAR are great investments. So like I said, if you're new to crypto, HBAR is a guaranteed winner in the future. ALBT and HBAR, few can comprehend Prometheus protocol. The bridge harnesses Hedera consensus service. And that's the thing, you're starting to see how that network is getting built. HBAR gets tied to ALBT, ALBT gets tied to QNT. This crypto gets tied to that crypto, forming that massive network, and we're watching it get built from the ground up. That's how early we are in crypto. HBAR is an extremely boring investment at the moment. However, what they are building is mind-blowing. They will tokenize the world. Now that's the thing. Right now, it's hard to invest in crypto because a lot of these cryptos really don't move. They kind of sit stable or go sideways for such a long period of time. Maybe they have a little bit of movement up and all of a sudden euphoria sets in. More and more people invest. Whenever the price is going up, FOMO happens. People have to get in because they think they're going to miss out. But the whole time you're sitting there holding a crypto like HBAR, you got to think to yourself, look at all the building that has happened without the price moving. Wait till that price does move to reflect all of that building. That's when you see the true value of HBAR. Look into Hedera Token Service and Hedera Smart Contracts 2.0. Enterprises using HTS and HCS to tokenize real estate, trade, electricity, supply chains, NFT, quantum financials, QFT, sorry, banks, cross-border payments now. These aren't wallet transfers. And that's the thing. HBAR is disrupting so many industries, and all these industries are becoming tokenized over time. Real estate's going to be massive in the future. I just did a video on XDC where I talk about how you could do open houses in the future using the metaverse. Think about that. Plus, then you could tokenize your real estate investment, whatever you buy. We are just getting started. HBAR, super fast, low consistent fees, way less than a penny. Best security, ABFT. Best governance, Google, Boeing, etc. Best scaling, most earth friendly. Most uses, dApps, micropayments, smart contracts, tokenization, consensus service, stablecoins, central bank digital currency. That's what you're investing in. And to think that you could get in at literally 6 cents. I was buying HBAR at much higher prices, and I never thought we would come down to 6 cents. But the future is literally getting built right in front of us. We're headed into the fourth industrial revolution. And CBDCs are coming whether people like it or not. And now I see all this big campaign all over crypto Twitter where people are saying, don't invest in any of these ISO coins. They're going to enslave you. Well, let me tell you something. CBDCs are coming. If we don't enrich ourselves off of these cryptocurrencies, we're still going to live under that CBDC, one way or another. But with that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. If you're new to crypto, HBAR is one of the best investments you can make, especially at these low prices. So we'll see you in the next video. Have a great night.